I greet on my people. I hear say people don't they drag one general overseer of the Way of Salvation Church of Christ. And the name of this pastor, they say his name na Pastor Peter Tom. Now, why people they call out this one? Now because this pastor decide say he won't go marry a 18 years old chorister. Where they inside the same church with him. And this one, in they marry this girl as his second wife. And they see people doing. No, be say this man wife don't that be anything. No. This pastor just decide say he won't remarry. And for that one, now this young girl, he can't decide say he won't marry. What did they even vex me now the age difference? This pastor na 63 years old man. He can't decide now say na 18 years girl, he won't decline from now on. I don't understand. Now God tell you to do this one, I've been waiting. Because if we begin talk now, it will be like say we dey focus on pastor. I never want to talk about this girl own because fine and good, she don't clock 18. So she gets every right to make her own decision. But I'm not sure say this one, did you know they involved? Because I don't see young girl in her right senses, she will come decide, okay, now this old baba, where be say white hair don't full in body. Now he go decide to marry. Since when Christianity begin marry 2 wives? I just say they inside Bible say 1 man to 1 wife. I be now and I don't begin mix Bible with Quran. Say now, pastor fit marry as many wives as they want. Because the way we be now on a pastor say, not just they confuse the word about na preachings. Now on a come outside they preach say 1 man to 1 wife. Now you they carry 2 wives. I beg what you want make others do. Now why some men now say they even marry 10? Because pastors they do and so what thing are they expect? Me I feel say this kind church I be this kind man. Make we put the girl or maybe na the parents even force her. Because with the looks of it, auntie don't already they dress like mommy Gio. So maybe they don't even they groom her from small circle. Auntie, now this man you go marry. We know if he talk. But she don't clock the age. So we know if you go meet her say this one a child abuse because she don't already reach the right age for adults, I mean a marriage. So she get her right to choose, okay, fine, I like this man, fine, I don't like this man. But the parents, I mean, one face. This man, they old enough to be her papa. Why be say now money they blind in her eye, I been waiting the blind in her eye. Because sometimes if parents they accept some kind of things, it they make me the wonder, they make me shocked. Anyways, my people, now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Waiting at all they happen inside this Nigeria already. I hear say another fire outbreak don't happen inside Nyanya Market and this one day inside Abuja. And see as it be so many goods and people property don't even burn damage. But we even still thank God say this one for 90 happen. We no hear say anybody die. But I beg you before I continue, on a sure say no waiting and they think they happen. On a sure say no be person they plant all these things. But before I continue, make now follow me watch.
The firemen are here too.
If you see there enter the other building, all the market go go.
Life, I'm not gonna live on Facebook.
In real life. Come on, man.
The fire service men are here responding. Try to see if they can put off the fire. God.
Okay, they're not the body water. The water still the nonsense.
Me, I still they talk and say, I dey very sad to say, now person they send these people. Because the occurrence for this fire outburst, for especially marketplaces, it don't over occur. I beg now only Nigeria and I market day. Where be say every day we go here say fire outbreak don't happen. You never even wait 3 weeks so inside Kubwa market. Now so fire happen, 10 people die for that one. Now another one don't happen inside Nyanya. On a sure say no be politicians don't pay these people. They go they cause all these destructions. I beg now even bandits won't divide the country. Now why they do this one? But if we look at in terms of the government, I feel say themselves get plan. Maybe they want to know this market to their own personal plazas. Now why they can't decide, okay, make the kuku burn and down. If you burn that, they don't go talk, say, okay, they force these people out. They will go there, go build their own things. Because now when I don't suspect everybody inside this Nigeria. Make people they careful because now it be like say market now be the worst place today. But I beg one and say for be so on know they sell things where involve explosive and things. Make now they very careful. If you know whatever you pack, if you explode, package and well, put them carefully. Or you go put them for where they deserted, where you know so okay, if the thing will explode, then you know go even affect your community. Sometimes now we self they risk our own life. You go know say what you keep for here, it is very dangerous, but still now go still keep and there. And I know Nigeria where we did this one go they happen before fire service go even come. They go first use the whole, in fact the whole place go down bomb before they go land. Even if you can't return, you say water no day. So you go take best and make we even avoid this whole thing before the thing can happen. Anyways, my people, now here I will take a break on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.